Bitcoin price in USA. Bitcoin price history by John Edwards, updating November 2021. Table of contents. Bitcoin price history and analyzing Bitcoin price history. Bitcoin price history. FAQ. 80 price did Bitcoin start trending. Among asset class, Bitcoin has had one of the more volatile trading history. The cryptocurrency very first big price increase occurred in 2010 when the value of a single Bitcoin fraction of a penny $0.8 it has undergone and its price movements to the Fed for many babies during the 1990s, while others have drawn parallels between Bitcoin and the Dutch tulip mania of the 17th century. The price changes for Bitcoin alternately reflects investor enthusiasm and dis- dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi Nakamoto Bitcoin's Bitcoin's inventor designed it for use as a medium for daily transactions and a way to circumvent the traditional banking structure where 2008 financial collapse through the cryptocurrency has yet to gain mainstream traction as a currency. It has begun to pick up through a different narrative as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Though this new narrative may prove to hold more merit, the price fluc- fluctuation of the past primarily stemmed from retail investors and traders betting on an ever increasing price without much grounding in reason. The regulatory agencies and crafting rules, especially for them, though Bitcoin's pricing still remains volatile, it is now a function of an array of factors within the mainstream economy as opposed of the influence of speculators looking for quickly profits through momentum trades. Key takeaways. Since it was first introduced to the world more than a decade ago, Bitcoin has had a choppy and volatile trading history. Bitcoin's price has undergone multiple bubbles over its short history. The factors influencing its price have changed with Bitcoin's evolution as an asset class. The narrative surrounding Bitcoin has shifted from being a currency. The factors influencing its price have changed with Bitcoin's evolution as an asset class. The narrative surrounding Bitcoin has shifted from being a currency to a store of a value as a hedge against inflation and uncertainty around the US dollar's future purchasing power. Bitcoin prices for the most part, Bitcoin investors have had a bumpy ride over the past roughly 30 years apart from daily volatility in which double-digit increase and decrease in its price are not uncommon. They have had to contend with numerous problems plugging in ecosystem from multiple scams and fraudsters to an absence from a regulation that further feeds into the volatile in split of all this there are periods when the cryptocurrencies price change have outpaced even their usually volatile swings, resulting in massive price bubbles. The first such The first such instance occurred in 2013. Bitcoin price jumped from $1 in April of the year, that of peak of but $32 in June, and gain of 3,200% within the 3 short months. That sleep ascent followed by a sharp reasons in crypto markets.